Hi friends, I'm Atharva Saxena. In this video, I'm going to tell you or share you a very tricky trick to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube faster. So I'm going to tell you a trick which is only going to apply in the third layer. So now when you just start solving the third layer, when you come to the stage of the L shape over here, so now from here only you will identify, you are going to know that when you will form plus sign in the third layer, you will get to know which two colors are going to match. So when first of all you have to keep the color which is in front of you to be matched. Like red is in front of me, where I'm going to start solving the algorithm, so I will keep that color matched. So now here you can see that these two colors, red and orange, these two colors are forming the L over here, and they are opposites of each other, so red and orange. So carefully observe this trick over here. So now when you will perform the L algorithm over here, so now you will get an L and turn this face towards your left side over here in front of yours, and now you see that this blue and red color is front of yourself, which is not involved in the line. So now further you will solve this algorithm, L algorithm. Now you will only twist this face once at your L side, and now you can see that this blue and red has got matched. So what I told you earlier, that closely observe that these two colors which are not involved in the line, blue and red. So from here you can conclude that blue and red will get matched when the two opposite colors are involved in the L shape in the starting of the third layer. So this was the one trick, and you will get to know. So now you will see that here I am having once again the L shape, but now I am having the situation these two colors are both matched. The colors involved, orange and blue, both are matched with their correct places. So here now also you carefully observe when I perform the L algorithm. Now again you have to turn this face towards your left. Now observe all the colors, blue and green, both are in opposites. All four colors are in their opposites. And now you have to once again perform the L algorithm. Now you have to only turn this face once, and you will get the two colors matched, this orange and blue. So whenever the two colors involved in the L shape in the starting of the third layer, and they are matched or they are going to be matched, so they will own, and in the next when you will get a plus sign, it will also be like that the other two colors, the green and red, are also matched, but orange and blue will always match, or any other two colors where green and orange must be forming the L shape, they also will form the two colors matching when you form the plus sign. So now here you are having a second condition over here. The colors forming the L shape are over here orange and green. So now over here the green color which must have to be matched over here. So in the plus sign we could directly know that the green and orange have been matched. But over here, when these two colors over here are not matched correctly, means the green is not matching and only the one color which is front of yours is matching, and the other color which has to be at your left hand side is not matching. So what will be the conclusion in the plus sign over here? So again we will turn this face at our left, and now you will perform the L algorithm once again. So now you have to turn this cube twice, and now you can see that the blue and red colors are matched. So of this I will give you one more example. Here I am having another example of red and blue. Blue must have to be matched over the left hand side, but blue is at our right hand side and red is matched over here. So now we will again make the plus sign. So in the last time you saw that the colors involved in the L shape algorithm, first time we performed, were not in the plus sign and were not matched. So now if we form the plus sign and move this cube twice, you will here get to know the green and green and orange colors are matched. So here we conclude that when the colors which are forming the L shape in the starting of the third layer and the color which is at your right hand side must be on your left hand side to be correctly placed. So when we form the plus sign, they are not involved in the matching of the plus sign like over here to solve it further. So this was the trick of the third layer of Rubik's Cube 3x3. If you like this trick, press the like button and subscribe my channel and comment below how this video was. Thank you for watching.